Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys on how to make money online with just 1000 naira. So let's get started. But today's platform will be Hawkit. Sure, more people know about this. I'll be using Hawkit to make money online. So it's easy to sign up. If you don't have an account, just click sign up. You enter your full name, you enter your referral username. I'm going to put a referral link in the description below. So if you tap it, it's going to take you straight to this platform for you to sign up. I already have an account, so we'll get straight right to my account. To enter my username. There's an error here. I'm going to be using my email. Okay, so this is it. Right here they say get paid for posting adverts on your social media, earn steady income by reselling products and posting adverts, and perform social tags for business and top brands accounts on your social media accounts. Here it says get people to post your adverts on their social media, get people with at least 1000 followers to post your adverts and perform social engagement tags for you on their social media accounts. So this is for advertisers, while this is for earners, and I'm sure you want to become an earner. So we'll click become a member. To become a member, user will need the 1000 naira. We are going to pay a membership fee of 1000 naira. If you can pay this membership fee, we are going to be earning daily figures. We're going to be earning start referral commissions. When you pay this, you'll be able to refer and earn commissions, earn social boost referral commissions of 20% of any amount paid. You can start your airtime data business on Hawkit. Yeah, Hawkit sell airtime or data less, and when you buy, you can sell it to other people at the same normal price amount, but you'll be having more gain. Yeah, you can sell any product you want to sell. Any product you have, you can sell it on Hawkit Market where people can buy. So it's easy to pay. Now you can pay with your wallet, you can pay online, so you can pay through the card number, you can pay through bank transfer, you can pay through Pada. It's easy to pay. So now we get to how to earn money on Hawkit. We'll click earn. Here it says we sell products and earn big commissions. We sell products of top sellers and brands and earn up to 100,000 naira monthly in sales commission. Here it says perform social tags and earn daily. Earn daily by posting adverts of various business and platform tags on your social media pages. So let's check this one first. Here we sell products of top sellers and brands and earn amazing sales commission. Okay, get started now. Okay, these are people that are selling products here. They are selling products here. So you can buy this product and you can resell this product. So what you want to do now is resell this product, and I urge you that you find those with more views and their price are higher. You can see here 1.6 million views, 128.8k views, 115.3k views. So I urge you to go with this one. So here it says to resell this product, you have to click the button below to generate your unique reseller link for this particular product. You will get a reseller commission of 2,950 every time someone buys this product using your unique reseller link. So you are going to generate a reseller link, and anytime someone buys this product, you are going to be earning a commission of 2,950. So imagine plenty people just buying this product. It already has 1.6 million views. So imagine plenty people buying this product. You can earn enough income. So we'll click generate reseller link. You have to pay a membership fee of 1,000 naira. So if you have paid that 1,000 naira membership fee, you will have access to plenty ways. You can have access to different ways you can resell, or you can try another method, that is performing social tax and earn daily. Okay, right now here it says earn steady income by posting adverts of business and top brands on adverts on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or TikTok. You must have up to 1,000 followers on your social media accounts. So if you have up to 1,000 followers on your social media accounts, you can get all these earnings. If you post, you get 100 naira. Get 100 naira per post. But I know some people may not have up to 1,000 followers. So here it says don't have up to 1,000 followers, click here to perform engagement taxes. So you are going to click here. So here for people that don't have up to 1,000 followers, the money you'll be earning is lower. 3 naira, 3 naira, 3 naira, 30 naira, 10 naira, 30 naira, 30 naira, 20 naira. We have 50 naira, 50 naira, 50 naira, 60 naira. You can earn at least here there are more tax available. Last time I came here there were 79 tax available. Now I'm saying 69. As you can see, people are earning money. They are competing tax. They are earning money. So it's very easy very easy to earn money on Hawkit with just 1,000 naira. It's 1,000 naira. These are people earning money. They invested at least 1,000 naira and now they are earning money. Instead of eating 1,000 naira, using it for nonsense, try and invest it here, and then you see how you make great income.